A quick dive into the world of joint probability, perfect for brushing up before that big job interview. Picture two events, A and B, in a universe of events. The joint probability of A and B is simply the likelihood of both A and B occurring at the same time. Let's say A is, it will rain tomorrow, and B is, you will carry an umbrella. The joint probability of A and B would be the chances of it raining tomorrow and you carrying an umbrella. Simple, right? But remember, joint probability only applies when the two events are independent. That is, the occurrence of one event does not affect the occurrence of the other event. So, next time you're asked about joint probability in an interview, you'll be ready to impress. Until next time, keep those probabilities joint and your answers sharp.